The 2021 legislative session is underway, and one key issue on the table, protecting the state economy against national or man-made disasters.
Economic diversification would do that. 13 Action News reporter Sean DELANCEY joins us live to explain the plan to get there. Sean.
Yeah, Kalina and Dave, economic diversification has been an important topic in Nevada for decades as the state relies heavily on gaming and tourism, two industries that have been hit the hardest and the longest by major events like this global pandemic.
Hit harder than any other state when the coronavirus pandemic shuttered businesses across the country. Now there's one solution leaders on both sides agree on.
We have to diversify our economy.
We're a state that depends on tourism to a fault.
What we need is a way to diversify our income streams.
We have had this conversation many times. I'm born and raised here, so I've heard it. And I know how frustrating it can be for
Senate Majority Leader NICOLE CANNIZZARRO says that the state is in a good place to actually incentivize diversification in new industries. Assembly Speaker Jason Frierson's focus is on three things: investment in infrastructure, education, and the healthcare system.
Because it's not just a corporation's name, it's employees and staff and families that are coming to. And so they need to take advantage of those amenities in the community.
Republican leaders James Settlemeyer and Robin Titus say that the key should be getting out of the way, removing regulations, and reducing taxes.
We have to have a tax-friendly environment. We have to make sure that we, welcome these companies in and don't discourage these companies. So we have some big competition out there, Florida and Texas.
Settlemeyer says that the only role government should play is establishing a place for the businesses to go and potentially offering benefits to help them get there.
A concept such as we'll give them a tax credit only for new employees. And that makes sense because, again, we're not going to get it if they're not here anyways.
Now, there is one sector of the economy that legislators say could be perfect for Nevada: green energy. I'll tell you about that in our next look ahead at the 2021 legislative session. Sean DELANCEY, 13 Action News.